Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can add or create a daily checklist or to-do list for your Notion workspace really quickly. For example, if you'd like to provide your team members with such a daily checklist so that they may follow your tasks and assignments in that checklist. So this is how we could do it, guys. It is actually super simple. Start by heading over to your Notion workspace, select your workspace in the top left corner. After that, add a new page to your workspace. So let me start with a completely new one by clicking on a plus icon next to my workspace name here and select an empty page, just like that. Give your page a name, like for example, a daily to-do list or something like that, or daily checklist. And you may also assign a custom icon to that by clicking on add an icon here. Let me go, for example, with a bell icon like this, just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, start adding items, which in this case are tasks, to your to-do list. To do that, simply left click here below your daily to-do list title, type in the command / and then to do, or simply TO, and select to-do list from that list below here of that suggestions, and type in the name of your first task or item, which would be, for example, if it is a daily to-do list, if you get up early in the morning, let's say dress up, that's the first task, and then add a second item, in this case here, so / again, to do, select to do list, and add the second item, like wash teeth, and so on and so forth. So let me add also a third one by pressing enter, and let's say make coffee, and that's your morning routine. So you can keep adding items like that. So and that's basically it, guys. That's how you can create these tasks. So if you'd like to, for example, check or uncheck a task if it has been completed for the given daily to-do list, simply left click on it, and as you can see, the checkbox will be selected and the given task will be lined like this here, or marked as completed. And you can do the same with any of your daily to-do or daily tasks, just like this. And that's it. That's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.